Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be creating a very minimal fall tablescape, and I'm using a black tablecloth because the color of my table is the color of the chair that I'm standing behind, which is that yellowy brown, and I really didn't want that look, so I used tablecloths to change the look of my table. But one day we're going to stain this table and just make it look completely different. That is my goal and my plan for the future. So I'm just going to start off by creating my centerpiece, and I'm just sourcing items from around my home. I didn't go out and purchase anything. I just went and into my cupboards and got my glasses and plates and stems that I always had, and I'm just using them. Some items I'm even repurposing. So you guys know, we start off with the centerpiece and make that little nest to nestle everything in. Let me know if this angle is okay. I just have everything on my buffet table, which is my bar area inside my home, and we're gonna do a makeover for that as well. But you know, I'm not gonna say anything. I didn't want y'all to see what I was doing to it so far, so I decided to hide it because I want to have a separate video for that. But we're doing something really special to that area, but you know, that's for a later time. So I'm just using some of these cocktail glasses that came with a handmade glass set that my mother-in-law got me. Y'all, this glass set is so beautiful. It has so much detailing on it, as well as a nice copper rim. It is just so, it is stunning and very expensive. It is stunning, and I loved it so much. I decided to go ahead and feature it into this video because it just feels like fall and Thanksgiving and Christmas and stuff like that. And the idea of this tablescape was to have something that was simple enough to transition into Thanksgiving. So I am just using things that I sourced around the house. You're going to see me changing a few items around because I didn't have a planned idea. I just had a vision and I had a few things that I wanted to see in it, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm not going to talk much longer, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you later on down inside the video. But I don't want to talk too much because I've been talking for over 2 minutes now. So I'll catch up with you guys closer to the end. Do you guys remember those handmade teal and black plates? I just had to feature them in this video because they were just so gorgeous, but I didn't have a full set. I have yet to complete the set, but I decided to mix match, and I think that it looks really, really nice. You guys have to let me know down below what you think. I just think it came out really nice paired with my matte black plates, but it could just be my mind, but let me know down below. Okay, I'll talk to you a little later. So I decided to show you guys again how I did the faux napkin pumpkins. Now this is easier if you guys have flat round rings. Because my ring has a design or some detailing on it, it was a little difficult, but I got it done. So I'm just going to fold each corner in, the four corners, and then I'm going to take the four corners and tuck it into the ring. And you just want to go ahead and repeat that for the first four, and then go ahead and repeat it again, and it gives it kind of a roundish look, and that's what we're going for. And I wanted something small enough to fit into the bowls that I have. So that's why I went in and repeated again for a smaller look, but make it as big or as small as you want. You also don't have to pull that tail out as, you know, the top stem. You can actually insert something else into it to make a stem, you know, like a leaf, a faux leaf, or a faux branch, or cinnamon stick, or something like that you have. But I decided to just extend the napkin up for that little branch look, and I think it came out really, really nice, guys. What do you guys think? I really like it. These are also a part of that wine glass set that I was talking about, that I put the cocktail glass in the center. These are the flutes, and I'm also going to put the wine glasses down. So champagne glasses and wine glasses, and I just thought they elevated the look. It also comes with the shot glasses, guys, and another smaller glass that I think is like for whiskey or whatnot, but it's a really large set. It's a really large set, and I think it has 6 pieces for each type of wine glass. Like I said, it was very expensive. I probably would not have bought it, but it was so beautiful. It's really, really nice, and they're handmade, so all of them are not the exact same height or same shape. Like, they have little imperfections, but it gives character. You know what I'm saying? But that's basically it right there. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now, this will not be a tablescape for my home unless I added, you know, floating candles. Like, that's my signature, I think. I had to go ahead and add me some floating candles. Y'all know I love me some floating candles. It just looks so romantic, you know? It looks so romantic. It's just, I love it. Anyways, I wanted to add some candles to my taller candle holders, but they just didn't look so nice. So I'm gonna go out and purchase some thick candles for my candle holders. But this is basically it. This is the setup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Let me know if you like it. I also decided to go ahead and add some pine cones to it to see if I would like it with or without. Let me know which version you like, with pine cones, without pine cones. I decided to take it away because I liked it more without it. But thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. So until then, tschüss.